Hello everyone. So again, welcome to my channel. So before going to the main topic, I request you all to please subscribe my channel, share my video, comment on my video, and your sharing and your comments and your subscription are very much necessary for the growth of this channel, which is solely dedicated to the pressure cooker and related to sustainable energy also, which is a very important topic nowadays. So today I'm going to discuss that about the pressure cooker. All of you want to know that which is the best, safe, or affordable pressure cooker, and the size of the pressure cooker. So today I have picked up the 3 liter size, as because the 3 liter size is the very normal size and common size used in the Indian kitchen and used for every family. 3 liter pressure cooker, 3 liter is the very common size. So today I am here to going to discuss, and now what I have searched in my computer, that this searching revealed some very good pressure cookers, and these are the best what I think, as per the reviewers comment and the users comment. And safety is also a big concern. If you go for the some very cheap pressure cooker, but these are not safe, this may burst. For that reason I have keep in the mind about the safety of the company also. For that reason I have listed the company. And then affordability. You see, as per the norm of central government, that every domestic pressure cooker should carry ISI marking to make it sure that the cooker should be safe, that would not burst or blah blah blah. So for that reason, I have picked up those companies which are very renowned in pan India, and they're safe, they are reliable. And affordability, what should I say that I have listed those pressure cooker which can be bought if you have 1,000 rupees. I have started from rupees 500 to rupees 1,000. All are very good pressure cooker. But what I want to say that you just see those video, but if you have some local very known good company, then you can go for that. But make it sure it should have ISI mark or any kind of a good marking like C marking, which is European standard, or EWEL marking, which is European standard. And if you go beyond 1,000 rupees, then you can have very good quality of the pressure cooker. But what I have suggested in this best, safe, and affordable, they are also very good. They are also very safe, affordable, and best also. So I'm coming. So this is now. Ah, this is the first one, Leo Natura Eco Select 3 liter pressure cooker, aluminum. It is aluminum. It may be of induction or in based or without induction base. Okay. So the induction, this is Eco Select model. Eco Select model is the without induction base, and Eco Select plus in induction base. This is 3 liter, and Leo Natura is very good company of South India. They can offer the pressure cooker in rupees 349 also. 3 liter pressure cooker in e-commerce Mahadhamaka sale. In many e-commerce Mahadhamaka sale, you can get it by rupees 349 also. This is ISI mark. And but normal price range is 500 to 550 depending on the whether it is normal base or induction base. So it's a very good cooker, you can go for it. Now Pigeon. So you know that Pigeon is very reputed brand and very good and affordable brand and very reliable brand, also very old brand. So you can go for that. This is 3-liter favorite 3-liter pressure cooker. So this is non-induction base and induction base, both can be found, and the price range is rupees 550 to rupees 700. But depending on the sale on the e-commerce, very several e-commerce, the price range can be changed. It may be less than 550 or more than 700. So you have to check. Okay, but I have given the actual range. The pressure cooker varies in this price range. Okay, so this is a very good pressure cooker. You can have it. Now this is also PGN, but it is inner lid model. This is the outer lid model. This is the inner lid model. So you can go for that. But the price range is little bit higher, 700 to 850. This is a very affordable, reliable, and safe pressure cooker, inner lid pressure cooker. Now Green Shape. Though Green Shape is relatively new company, but their pressure cooker is well made, reliable. So you can go for that Green Shape. Okay. This is Coral model, and they can be found in both without induction base and with induction base. You can go for it, and it's very cheap pressure cooker, 500 to 550. Sometimes in e-commerce sale, you can have it rupees 399 also, but this is a chance, luck by chance, but the general price range is rupees 500 to 550. You can go for that easily. These are very reliable and safe pressure cooker also. Now is the Butterfly. Butterfly, you know all that is a pan-Indian company, very good company, very old company also. So you can go for that. This pressure cooker. This is a very good pressure cooker. The price range is rupees 550 to rupees 750, depending on the sale of the and discount of the e-commerce, particular e-commerce, and you can have it in all the standard e-commerce site. Okay, so you can go for that. This is with induction button, but you can have that model which is without induction. Without induction also, the price may be some less, some maybe less. So this is a very good pressure cooker. Now it is Hawkins Missionary. Hawkins, you know that Hawkins is a very old company, very reliable and trustable company. So you can go for that, though the price range is little bit higher, but you can go for that. This is 3-liter model. This is without induction based model. This Missionary model don't have any induction based model. So this is only non-induction based model. So you can go for that. This is a very good pressure cooker. So in compared to the other pressure cooker, this is a very reliable and good pressure cooker. And the last is the Judge. Judge is the company which has been bought to India by TTK Prestige. But Judge is a very old company of Europe and London, mainly London. It's a near about 200 years old company in London, and this company was launched in India by TTK Prestige. So it has two variety, Judge inner lid and Judge outer lid. And both induction based and non-induction based model can be found. So you can go for that. This is as you know, the TTK Prestige is very renowned company and trustable company, so you can go for that. These are also 3-liter model. Without induction base, with induction base, both model can be found. So price range is higher, as you know that company matters. So 900 to 950, but depending on the sale and the discount of the e-commerce, particular e-commerce sites, you can have it in little bit less price. So you have to check that issue. So beside that, these are the standard company which I have listed here and showing you. But beside that, there are many other good company, but that may cost more than 1,000 rupees, but or near about 1,000 rupees. Yeah, you can go for that. This is to say that I am just informing you this information. I am not a company person, and this is not a, what should I say, that no company has told me that to advertise this thing. This is my opinion, this is my personal opinion, and just to give an information for the general people of India, so you can go for that. Okay, so here I am going to close this review, or what should I say. You can have it. Thank you for uh, viewing my channel, and please subscribe my channel. Uh, Thank you.